Hey.
Get it, T-Rex. Detuned Automotive in Puyallup. And we got a squad of roadsters out here. Got the blue one there. Got the white one there. We got another silver one right here. But oh yeah, by the way, that's a Miata XL. Oh, my bad. Yeah. And then we got the red one, which is mine. Okay, so what do we got going on under here?
We have a Helmholtz resonator that I'm
oh, you're fabricating some fancy business? Oh, oh, wow. Well, look at this.
So instead of running a silencer,
yeah.
This is going to get rid of that frequency. Yeah. That will kind of make it into a silencer itself. I'll show you how it works in a minute.
All right.
Science, that's the math equation right there.
Oh shit, it's all like calculated. Oh, there's a goddamn formula.
Yep.
Holy shit.
So, F equals frequency, C equals speed, all that. And that's the equation right there.
See that there? See that name? Y'all better get used to that name right there.
What name's that?
Randy.
Randingo. Okay, and I need to open up that radius on that side.
Yeah. So then you're just gonna cut into here and then weld it in?
Yeah, because the first
thing
about right here.
Yeah.
But
oh, that's kind of.
It just didn't look right. So he
yeah, cause it's good back there because then it's kind of tucked away too.
So he's gonna move it over here so it's tucked away.
Yeah.
The frequency is all like heat based frequency.
Yeah.
So when it gets hotter and hotter.
It should quiet it down just a little bit. Here, I'll show you how it works. Of course, this is not the, the coolest thing to use in the world, but I have to get it just right, though. Not the high one, there we go.
Yeah.
So see, it's now it's at 111.
Yeah.
So it's a beer bottle. You think of it like blowing into a beer bottle.
Yeah.
You add that frequency into the exhaust system, whatever frequency that is.
Yeah.
And you can get rid of the drone. The boom.
On the highway.
Right on the highway. It's sound canceling. So now this is at 111 at whatever temperature it is right now. I just heated it up with gradient, and all I did was just that. So yeah, we'll see what happens, right?
There's some real technology going on over here for exhaust. This might be useful for you. Hey, this guy's looking for somebody.
Okay, so we'll clean this off so I can mark it.
Exhaust technologies here?
Yep, there's a math equation over there and everything. Some real science over here.
Right.
Ways to make a four-cylinder sound pretty nice.
Well, sound different. To get rid of the drone.
Which I know is an issue you have.
My issues is
3,000 RPMs. That boom.
My issue is a lot of raspiness too, even with a resonator and a big muffler.
You know what frequency it is, or no?
Oh no, we don't do math.
Okay.
No.
Don't ask us things like that. You make us look like we're smart or something.
I don't know it either. I was shit that I didn't care about.
We don't.
It's like maths for the birds, but it's fucking everything. It's take that fucking thing off, fucking cut a hole in it, and then melt it on there. Melt it, not weld it.
Melt it. What brand exhaust is this?
Chinese. Hey Lenny, what kind of exhaust is this?
Oh, I don't know. Some Chinese brand.
Probably the same as mine.
I'll fire it up. Listen to it now.
Oh yeah, because now that you put the headers on it. Is the keys inside?
Thank you again.
Oh, you already got it heated up, so yeah, it started to change color a little bit.
The only thing that was in the wrong spot was the O2 bung. It was like pointing at the transmission. I was like, well, that sucks.
Oh, I didn't.
So I had to weld another one on it. Oh, it's probably back further than it should be, but.
Hey, as long as it works.
It works.
That's all that matters.
We also have to.
I thought it was for like a 1.8 or something. A little bit of rev there, yeah. I like it. I like it though. I like it. Shit, it sounds better than my piece of shit right now.
Rev it!
when you cover this one, it sounds good. Yeah. Because it's almost a straight shot to this one. It's a bend.
Yeah, that's why it sounds different.
Because the sound waves are pooling on this side more. That's why it has more bass on this side than this one.
Yeah.
It's not a show car, but it works.
Hey, so what's going on with all those shows out front? I don't think I've ever seen so many shows together. What are they? You just collecting them?
Fix them and make them sellable.
So what's going on with the white one?
Depends. We're playing kind of roulette right now. I'm gonna make 3 of them run.
Oh.
The other one's gonna end up being the rear engine for what I'm building. I'm gonna put a show motor in the back of an '89 Festiva, and then I'm gonna put one in the front too.
Oh wow.
But I'm gonna use a yaw sensor to make them collaborate with each other, so when you're going around corners, it can divert power to the front or rear axle.
Engine and tranny all together.
Yeah, this is out of a '93.
Okay.
So I got the EEC and everything, and I've been building it to kind of a standalone.
Oh,
so I've been
okay.
building the adapter plugs to go off these 2 main plugs, and that's all I need to fire it really. That starter signal and fuel pressure. And once I have it running as a standalone, I'm probably going to end up redoing this. I want to build it with independent data bodies.
ITBs, yeah.
Whoa.
It's already on ITBs anyways, look.
Oh yeah, because it's got individual runners and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
This goes straight into the intake
right.
from here, so it already has ITBs.
Right.
Holy shit.
So I would just be removing this.
Yeah, you could just take this off.
Yeah, and be doing my pre-fueling off my IBTs, but put Venturis on each one. Then when it sits in the car, all I'd have to do is put a little box over it to filter the air.
Yeah.
But then when you take it out for show, you just pull the top off. So
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see that when it's done.
Could be better, but
Which one's the heat?
All right, so, and here's, I don't know what it sounded like before, so I don't have a before and after. Cut it. Oh, got a tiny leak. Fast, too furious with the S2000 jumping the bridge right now. I know, I was about to say, we need to throw some pink paint on it. And just snap. Yeah, oh yeah, you need some underglow. For sure. Test drive? Yes? Alright, let's hear this new fancy sound exhaust business here. Ooh, look at that fancy purple car right there. Look how fancy that is.
there's a lot of people that, you know, talk a lot of trash about S2000 or not S2000, Hondas in general.
Yeah.
But what it all boils down to, they make some really good cars.
They do, man.
Their engines last.
Yep.
If you like any other motor, if you take care of it, it'll last. But if you take care of a Honda,
Oh man,
they last forever.
trust me, I can vouch for that personal experience with a bunch of different ones, including my last car. I beat that thing to hell and it still ran like a damn champ.
Oh yeah. And a lot of people, if they see, or if or when they see this, like, oh, wasn't he a Toyota guy? It's like, well, I'm a car guy, just like you. It's like, I'm a car guy.
Oh man.
So I like all cars.
You already know I'm getting the backlash for being a miata guy now.
Right.
I could own another car. It's okay.
Right. Now since you have a Miata, you're a Miata guy.
I'm
looked
a car.
Looked into that.
People always have to label you as something. You can't just be a guy who just has a different car.
Yeah.
Because you like a different car and not just one car.
what I said. Like, I have a freaking Toyota Celica, and then it's like he has a S2000 now. It's like, oh, he's just a Honda guy now. It's like,
no, he's a car guy. He's a car guy.
It's a car guy thing, you know?
What you love. If you're a true enthusiast, like, you know what I'm saying? You don't just stick to one thing. Man, nothing like a Honda screaming 9,000 RPM.
How it is with a car that doesn't have resonators or anything like that. Just straight pipe, it sounded like that. Just terrible. This right here, perfect.
Yep, you can live with this.
Yeah.
Looking mad JDM right now.
Better. It's a lot quieter. There's like no drone. Cruising, when you're cruising at like 3, even like 2.5.
All I have to say is VTEC's amazing, that's it. VTEC's great.
Seems like I got a little more pep.
Seems like he's got a little bit more.
Mathematically, it should.
It sounds pretty awesome.
Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Mine's this is cut off, which I never noticed until I took it off for the first time.
Yeah.
He's explaining to me that these cars need